CR3 Outdoors here. We're checking out a piece of property that we had stands up on. Tropical Storm Imelda just came through and it dropped a lot of water. So we're gonna go see what damage it did. We're gonna go take care of it. Alright, so we just made it to our first feeder, and as you can tell, she ain't looking too good. One of our feeder legs sank in about a foot. So we gotta fix that. So we're gonna go ahead and take care of that right now and get it to where it's operational again.
Enjoy the show.
Enjoy the show. Okay. Probably just saw, we just struggled and it didn't come out. It's in there deep, so we're gonna have to come back when it dries out just a little bit more manpower. And the feeder's full of water too, so that's not helping. So we got a lot of work ahead of us, and deer season is in 1 week, so we'll be back here. We just can't do it today. So we're out here. This is actually a location where my brother killed a buck out here last year. And this is usually dry land, and right now it is a flowing river. I mean, there's flowing water all throughout here, and it's pretty deep. There's spots in here that go over my boot. So here, come take a look. Flowing water. It is flowing really bad back up here. I mean, there's rapids. So this is not looking too good for opener weekend. I don't know what we're gonna do, but we'll see. I'm standing in the spot where I'm supposed to have a pop-up line, but as you can tell, there is no pop-up line right here. But there is plenty of water. But if we look down there, we have a pop-up line. This thing is got broken stakes all in it. It is no longer a functional tent. The feeder looks good. It's still standing there, so that's good. But not ideal. Yeah, this is usually dry ground, and it's not very dry at the moment. So this is kind of a sad day. I put a lot of time and effort into this spot and getting it ready. I put time fixing feeders and doing all that stuff. Coming in here, time, putting in corn and feed and making sure the spots are good, making sure the blind is good, making sure that everything's the way it should be for opener. And all of that just got canceled. And it kind of sucks, but Tropical Storm Imelda just came through and washed away a lot of that hard work. But reset, and hopefully this season won't be a total bust. Well, you've seen some of the effects Tropical Storm Imelda had on us. It sucks, but we'll just have to come out here and put in a little bit more work. We'll have to wait until the water dries up, and we'll have to get after it. No, you can't let it put a dampener on a hunting season, but we'll make something happen. CR3 Outdoors out.